Hello everyone and welcome to Quick Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how to embed video on Twitter. So I'm going forward to open my Twitter app right here. So you'll have of course to select the video that you want to embed. In my case I just selected this video right here, and we'll have to copy the link to this video. I already did that, but I'm going to show you how to do it. You can hit the share button right here, and you can select copy link, and this is the link that you copied to this video. After that, let's open the web browser right here, and we're going to paste in the link that we have copied, which will lead us to this. Make sure that you select the desktop version of the site right here. If you are using Chrome, you have the icon with the three dots, and then select the desktop site right here. So after you open the link right here, if we select the icon with the three dots right here, we should be able to see the option embed post right here. So basically this will lead us to this page, and we'll have to select, if I'm going to zoom in a little bit, we'll have to select right here the option where it says copy code. So the code has been copied, and I'm going back to my Twitter account right here, and I'm just going to create a new post, and I'm just going to paste the code that I have been copied earlier. Let me just type in the code right here and paste. So what we're going to do right here, we're going to delete everything. Instead, this link right here, peak.twitter.com. So what I'm going to do is delete what's above. Okay, just let me delete this. Okay, and I'm going to delete what it is after this. And this is the only link that will remain available, and you can also add a caption if you want right here. So let's go forward and post this on our Twitter account, and your post was sent. So right now I must be able to see my my tweet right here. Just let me go to my profile, and this is the tweet that I have created with the video. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one.